Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to calculate and invoice late payment fees automatically in Odoo. To manage what does ensure that you have enabled the studio module in your database as well as you have enabled the developer mode. Once it's done, you can move on to the accounting module. And from here, I'll be moving on to the customers and we'll be choosing the customers over here. And we just need to do the customization. Upon choosing the customers over here, you can see that we have a certain fields such as the late payment fees percentage, grace days, and late fee product. So in order to do this, you just need to get into the studio module. Upon moving on to the studio module, you can see that we have the late payment fees. So the late payment fees will be having the type over here as boolean. So once you enable the late payment fees only, you just need to get the late payment fees percentage, grace days, and late fee product. Now you will be having confusion on what is grace days. Grace days is nothing but the number of days being late of the payment of the invoice by the customer. So in such cases, we just need to get a late payment fee percentage. So in this case, I would like to charge a 3% of percentage over here, and we can set the product over here. So we will be moving on to the late payment fees percentage over here, and it will be having the type as float, and you can set the grace days, which will be having the type as integer, which means the field type is integer, and you can also just add the late fee product over here. So it will be having the type as many to one, and you can just choose a product from here. So once it's done, you also just need to apply the conditions. To apply the conditions, you can just move on to late payment fees, and you can just move on to the conditions and ensure that late payment fees is not set over there. So if it's not set, then these fields will be hidden. Now, as like, you also just need to set this condition for grace days. So as upon moving on to the grace days, here you can see that the late payment is not set. So under the late fees product, you can also see that we have applied the condition, which is the setting as late payment fees is not set. Once it's done, you can just close this, and once everything is done, again close it, and let's move on to the conditional. Let's apply the conditions over here. So in order to apply the conditions, what you have to do is you just need to move on to the scheduled action. So under the scheduled action, we just need to create a new scheduled action for the late payment. So I'll be searching for the late payment. That's the automatic late payment fee calculation. The model will be journal entry, and you can also set the models over here. Like once it's done, you can also apply the code. So we'll be taking the today's date and the company ID and the invoice with all the details such as the company, the move type, the state is equal to posted. So once it's posted, and if the customer hasn't paid it, like not paid or partial paid, we just need to get a late payment fee percentage. So for that, from the invoice, we'll be considering the partner, and from that we'll be considering the late payment fees, and we just need to continue with the due date. And if the due date is today minus the invoice date, then we'll be calculating with the grace date, and accordingly we'll be taking the percentage of the amount. Okay, so once it's done, you also just need to set another field inside the invoices. So as you just move on to the accounting, here under the customers, you can find the invoices, right? So under the invoices, as you just choose the invoices, here we have the field called source invoice, right? So inside that, we also just need to set it. So in order to create a field called source invoice over here, again move on to the studio module. Here you can see that we have the invoice which has the type code source invoice, and you can see it is many to many, and you just need to choose the type as journal entry over here. Okay, like this will be journal entry, but the model that we are just using over here is journal entry. So once it's done, you can just close this, and let's move on to the functionality of managing how to calculate and invoice late payment fee automatically in Odoo. Now here you can just move on to creation of the invoice. So let's consider the invoices from here. Let's click on new and let's say the customer is deco addict. So as I just move to the customer here, you can see that I have enabled the late payment. If I just disable the late payment, what happens is that rest of the field will be hidden from the UI. So I just want to enable this and I'll be setting the late payment fees percentage as uh, 3 and grace days as 5, and you can just set the late fee product over here. So once it's done, now let's create the invoice. So under the invoice, let's choose the customer. Yeah, we have already created the invoice, right? So let's choose a product. You can choose a product over here. Let's say the product is given over here. Now you can see that I'd like to set 800 as the price of the product, and we'll be setting the invoice over here with the previous date, let's say 28 April, and let me just remove this and let's set the due date, and the due date is May 28 and the customer hasn't paid it. So upon clicking on the confirmation, you can see that the additional charge will be just taken from the customer with the another invoice with 3%. So currently we have just given a 5 days as the grace days, but the due date is currently May 8, and still they or you can set the due date over here. Let's see, it's April 28, right? So okay, this is the date, and after any of these days, we have to just treat it as the late payment percentage extras fee will be considered. Now let me click on confirm. So upon clicking on confirm, it will be moving on to the draft state, and you can see that another invoice will be created with the same customer with the product with the percentage over there. Now let's move on, and you can see that the invoice which has been created. Um, so as I just remove the filter here, you can see that we have the invoice which been created for deco addict with the percentage that has taken. So currently, let me filter based on the partner, and let's move on to deco addict. Here you can see the invoice which has been generated. So this is how we manage with the calculation of the late payment fees automatically in Odoo. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.